do an illustration to understand this fixed capital method. The same problem what you have done for the fluctuating capital method, same problem I have taken here to solve this fixed capital method also. What was the problem? Rakesh and Rakshita are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. This ratio we don't use here in partners capital and partners current account. We do use this to calculate the profit distribution in P&L appropriation. On 1/4/2018, it shows it is a financial year. Their capitals stood at rupees 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita respectively. From the following particulars, prepare partners capital account and partners current account, assuming that capitals are here. It was fluctuating because last problem we did under fluctuating method. Here I will do right fixed. So when the capitals are fixed, we have to imagine the capitals are fixed, and automatically we have to prepare partners capital account and partners current account under fixed method. What are the instructions? First one is interest on capital. Rakesh 8% per annum, Rakshita 8% per annum. Drawings during the year 2018 to 19. For Rakesh 18,000, for Rakshita 10,000. Interest on drawings, Rakesh 1,800, Rakshita 1,000. Salary for Rakshita, how much it is? 12,000. Commission for Rakesh 10,000. Share of profit which is transferred from P&L appropriation account, Rakesh 20,000 and Rakshita 12,000. Given, we should write for all the problems this, not for the scoring. There is no mark allotment for this given, but for your clarity, if we write this from the question, we can do without mistake. We can do solution without mistake. Opening balance of capital for Rakesh 1,50,000 and 1 lakh for whom? Rakshita. Interest on capital 8%, calculated how much it is? 12,000, and for Rakshita it is 8,000. How we calculated this? 1,50,000 into 8 by 100 for 1 year, 1 lakh into 8 by 100 for 1 year. Salary only for Rakshita it is given. Commission only for Rakesh it is given. P&L appropriation 20,000 for Rakesh and 12,000 for Rakshita. Drawings 18,000 for Rakesh, 10,000 for Rakshita. Interest on drawings 1,800 for Rakesh, 1,000 for Rakshita. We shall do a problem. See here, first we shall start with partners capital account. Partners capital account under which method? Fixed method. Same table you can see here. Date, particulars, JF, Rakesh, Rakshita. This is for debit. Date, particulars, JF, Rakesh, Rakshita. For what? Credit. Shall we start? First we do write by balance brought down. This is about opening balance of what? Capital. This is about opening balance of capital. See the question. How much it is given? Opening balance of capital 1,50,000 for whom? Rakesh. 1 lakh for whom? Rakshita. So the same opening balance we do right here. 1,50,000 for Rakesh, 1 lakh for Rakshita. Is it clear? What did we write? We wrote opening balance of capital for Rakesh and also for Rakshita. Is there any additional capital in the question? No. Is there any drawings in the question? No. There is drawing, but that drawing is against profit. So we should write the drawings in partner's current account. So that's all. Only one value we entered here in partner's capital account. Now what I have to do? I have to do what? Total. How to do total? This credit side first I will do, right, because only one value we have on credit side. 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita. Same total I write here on debit. Is there any value to deduct? No, nothing is there to deduct. So the same value we write here as what? Balance. 1,50,000 and here it is what? 1 lakh. We should write this as what? To balance carry down. This is about closing balance. Closing balance of what? Closing balance of capital. Closing balance of capital. See here, opening balance and closing balance both are same. So it's very clear in this case, capital accounts, capital values of the partners are fixed. Because we have not included additional capital and we have not included drawing, so we got the same value. Is it clear? Yes. So we have to open this. So we should write dates 1/4/18 because it is financial year. It was clearly mentioned in the question. Closing date is 31/3/2019. When you open this, you should write 1/4/2019 by balance brought down. How much for Rakesh? 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita. So this is about partners capital account. Is it clear? Yes, we shall do partners current account. Just to recall the format, whenever you do problem, you should be clear and thorough with the format. Otherwise, you do commit mistakes. To avoid that mistake, should be thorough with the format. So first, we should write opening balance of current value, but it is not given in the question. So I cannot write the opening value of current. It is not given in the question. So we start with by interest on capital account. By interest on capital account. We already calculated here how much it is. 12,000 for whom? Rakesh. 8,000 for Rakshita. So once again I will write here. I will show the calculation for Rakesh. 1,50,000 into 8 by 100. It is for 1 year. 1 year means 12 by 12. It comes to 1. So I didn't show. How much it is for Rakesh? 12,000. For Rakshita, 1 lakh into 8 by 100. So for 1 year, we get here how much? 8,000. For whom? Rakshita. Is it clear? This 1,50,000 is what? Capital of Rakesh. On 1,50,000, 8% we calculated. We got how much? 12,000. For Rakshita, it is how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 8 by 100, 8,000. This is about interest on capital. Why do we write capital, interest on capital on credit side? Because it is an income to the partners. Based on nominal account rule, all the incomes and gains should be written on credit. All the expenses and losses should be written on debit. Clear? And next one is salary. Whose salary was given in the question? Rakshita's salary. So I will write here. I need not write Rakshita because in Rakshita's column only I am going to post. It's better we show only what? Salary. Salary account for Rakshita. Salary for Rakshita, how much it is given in the question? 12,000. Next one is what? Commission. Commission for whom it is given? Commission for Rakesh it is given 10,000. There is no commission for Rakshita and there is no salary for Rakesh. The salary and commission both are what? Income to the partners. So we do show this on credit side. After this, P&L appropriation value is there. P&L appropriation account. Why do I write P&L appropriation account on credit side? Because they have given share of profit. Profit is a credit balance. We do show this profit on credit side. How much is P&L appropriation given in the question? P&L appropriation 20,000 for Rakesh, 12,000 for whom? Rakshita. This is about P&L appropriation. Why do we write P&L appropriation? Because this profit calculated in P&L appropriation transferred to partner's current account. So we should show the ledger name of P&L appropriation account from where we have transferred this. And next one is what? Drawings. Drawing is a debit value. So drawings I do show here on debit side. How much drawing it is given in the question? 18,000 for Rakesh, 10,000 for whom? Rakshita. And next to this, interest on drawings. See, interest on drawings is an expense to the partners, so we should debit this. How much is interest on drawings? 1,800 for Rakesh and 1,000 for whom? Rakshita. I think all the entries we have posted here. See here. Once again you do recall in the question what is given? Opening balance of capital. This we have entered in where? Partners capital account. Except this, all other adjustments. Interest on capital 8% we calculated and posted here in partners current account. Salary also only for Rakshita we have posted to partners current account. Commission 10,000 we have taken to the partners current account. P&L appropriation profit values we have taken. Drawings we have taken. Interest on drawings also we have taken. So all the postings and entries we have completed. So I feel credit side the total is more. Shall we write the total of credit? How much? How much we get in Rakesh column? If I total, I get how much? 42,000. See, 42,000 for Rakesh and 32,000 for Rakshita. Same total I do write here on debit side to find what? Balance. Okay? Yes. From this 42,000, this 18,000 and 1,800 should be what? Deducted. If I deduct, I will get 22,200 as what? Balance. For Rakshita, 32,000 minus 10,000 and minus 1,000, I will get 21,000 as what? Balance. This balance I do write here as what? To balance carry down. There is no opening balance for current account, but we get closing balance in this year 2018 to 19. This is about closing balance. Okay, I have not shown the date. So this interest on capital on closing date, salary on closing date, okay, P&L appropriation on closing date, drawings on closing date, correct? Interest on drawings on closing date. This closing balance is also on closing date. There is no opening value, so you are not written the opening date. Okay. How much balance we got? Here 22,200 for Rakesh, 21,000 for Rakshita. This balance we do open the next year 1/4/2019. How much? By balance brought down. 22,200 for whom? Rakesh. 21,000 for whom? Rakshita. Is it clear? There is this during this year 2018 to 19 there is no opening value of current account, but we got closing balance. This closing balance here it will go to the next year as what? Opening balance. The 19 to 20 2019 to 2020, we get opening balance 22,200 for Rakesh, 21,000 for Rakshita. So this is about partner's current account. You have to do again and again repeatedly so that you can understand. Don't worry. Once again, one problem I will take and both the methods I will show. Fluctuating capital method and also fixed capital method for your better understanding. Thank you.